What's up YouTube, it's Hawkman and I am back with another video, and in this one we have another product opening here. This is a new release 2022 Donruss football. Well, it's sort of a new release. It came out about 4 or 5 days ago, so I'm really excited to rip this one. We're gonna get all the new rookies in here from the 2022 class. So we got Josh Allen, as you can see there on the front as a cover boy. We have, looks like 10 cards per pack, 18 packs per box. So we got quite a bit of ripping to do today. 180 total cards in total. And if you guys want to pause it, if I can flip it the right way and take a look at that, you'll see everything that we can hit. We have all sorts of cool inserts from $2.99 numbered all the way down to 1. And of course, the chase of this box is the downtowns. So we're going to be hoping to get a downtown today. I don't know the whole checklist, but I do know that there is a Santa Claus downtown, which, you know, I think that's kind of pretty cool. Some people hate it, but if I hit it, I'm definitely not going to be mad about that. Another new insert they have, or case hit, is the night moves. So we're going to be hoping to hit one of those. Of course, we get one autograph, one memorabilia card, and hopefully that autograph is a good one. I watched Run Good Life's video of his today that he did, and the last one he did last year, he hit a Tom Brady auto. I'm not expecting that. Odds are we probably hit a pretty dusty auto, but you never know. That's why we do this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and rip it open. Let's see what we got here. All right, as you can see, we got all of our packs here. Should be 18, 6 there, 6 there, and 6 there. Go ahead and throw that off to the side. It would be so cool to hit a downtown, but I guess we'll find out. So this is the design here, rated rookie. Pretty similar to previous years. Not too much different there. I guess I don't remember a 3D kind of square thing going on there, but here's Travis Jones. Then we have Tyler Boyd, DeMarcus Lawrence, Chidobe Awuzui, Darius Leonard, Eric Dickerson. All right, then we got a foil card, rated rookie. Oh, that's a no name. So this is one of the inserts here. No name rated rookie. That is Kenneth Walker III. Guess I should have known that. So we'll go ahead and sleeve that one up. He is a top rookie. And that is a cool little no-name insert there. Put that one there. Scoot these over, we'll put that there. All right. Moving along, another insert, Power Plus, CeeDee Lamb. Pretty cool design there. Rated rookies there, inserts there, sleeve cards there. There's Tom Brady right there. Pretty cool highlights. Looks like a throwback design there. So look at that. Tom Brady. Put that in that pile. And then we have the red press proof, which is not numbered, but that's rated rookie Jeremy Ruckert. So usually in the past I hadn't really cared for Donruss too much, but this year, after seeing quite a bit of boxes open, there's some really cool stuff to pull in here. Let's see, Pierre Strong Jr., rated rookie, Thurman Thomas. Then we have Jalen Hurts, Mike Allstott, legend, Najee Harris, Derrick Henry, Fred Warner, John Mechie. I'm gonna sleeve that one up. Texans fan. John Mechie, of course, didn't get to play last year because he had lymphoma. So hopefully we'll get to see him play this upcoming year, and hopefully he does pretty well. These are the canvas portraits. It looks like we got our auto here, I think. Canvas portraits of David Bell for the Cleveland Browns, rated rookie. And let's see, I think this is the auto. I'll put that there. Let's see what we have here. Quarterback. Oh, maybe not. Sorry. Another press proof, Trey Lance. I think this is the silver press proof. It should be number to 99, I think. 100. Number to 100. Yeah, sorry. That's a pretty cool card. Trey Lance, second year. Put that there. Move that one over here. All right. It's gonna be a long rip. Got a lot of packs to get through. Try to make them quick once we get through. Ahmad Sauce Gardner. We'll go ahead and sleeve that one up. Elijah Moore. T. Higgins. Michael Thomas. Okay, Aaron Rodgers. DeForest Buckner. Legend Series, Fred Taylor. Do not think that one's numbered. Nope. Insert pile. And then we have T. Higgins on the franchise futures. And then LaVisca Chenault red foil press proof. Of course, is not numbered. All right, Greg Dulcich, rated rookie. Tony Pollard, Stephon Diggs. Okay, Derek Carr. Be interesting to see where he ends up. Then we have Van Jefferson, Ryan Tannehill. Action All Pros, Joe Mixon. Not numbered. And then we have the Rookie Kings, Garrett Wilson. Probably, I think he won Offensive Rookie of the Year if I'm not mistaken. Let's sleeve that one up. And we have a rated rookie, Houston Texans, Kenyon Green. Never even heard of this guy. And that one is numbered to 59, so that would make this, I'm not sure. Let's see if I can find out. Orange or something, it's not on my checklist. Oh, numbered to 59, jersey number, of course. So this is, yeah, this is just jersey number. Okay, so we'll put that there. All right. Okay, we got our mem card here. Okay, rated rookie. We got Jamar Chase, Ezekiel Elliott, Callaway, Kwity Paye, Robert Woods, and then J.K. Dobbins on the rookie patch. This one is numbered 159 out of 399. 159 out of 399, pretty cool. Of course, not from any specific game or event. Put that one there. And we have Colts rookie Alec Pierce, not numbered. And then a Cooper Kupp. Champ is here, got a little belt there, that's pretty cool. And a red press proof, Greg Russo. Khalil Shakir, Dallas Goedert, Raquan Davis, Jerry Tillery, can't. I'm trying to get the lighting right. Nick Bosa. We got our auto coming up. Reggie Wayne. Don't tell me this is Justin Jefferson auto. Oh my God, the Jets. Oh, numbered to 25. 12 out of 25. Justin Jefferson auto. That is sick. Whoa, let's get top loaded right now. That's definitely one we're looking for. Justin Jefferson, 12 out of 25. Wow. Let's see, trying to see what parallel this is. Action All Pros autograph, Justin Jefferson. Oh, they're all numbered to 25 except a few. Man, that is awesome. Awesome, awesome pull. That's going up on a stand. So I doubt we'll get it downtown now. But still happy to have that. Then we have a Nick Chubb. Man, I can't get that out of my head. Trey Lance and Tom Brady. Might as well just stop the rip right now. I don't think we'll see anything better than that. That's definitely one of the best ones you can get. All right, Christian Harris, Texans. Gabriel Davis, Jalen Reagor, Sam Hubbard, another Nick Chubb, Taylor Lewan. Shout out to Bustin' with the Boys. Jeff Okuda. Then we have a Dominators of Cooper Kupp. John Mechie, nice. That is a canvas portrait rated rookie. Go ahead and sleeve that one up too. Got to sleeve up all my Texans. Get these sleeved up that we forgot about. Sauce Gardner rated rookie. Hopefully we'll get they have the optic rated rookie previews. Hopefully we'll get to see one of those. And then we have Tyrion Davis Price. That one is numbered out of 500. So that would make this, what is that, pink or purple? So you got the checklist pulled up here. This is a stat line. Oh yeah, there it is. Season 1,015 rushing yards, Tyrion Davis Price. Really? Yeah. Oh, that's probably in college, of course. TDP, numbered to 500. Cool looking card. We'll put it there. All right. Damian Pierce, gonna have to sleeve that one up. Patrick Queen, CeeDee Lamb, Bradley Chubb, Jake Matthews, Quentin Nelson, JJ Watt, just retired. Whoops. Then we have a Tua on the Elite Series. See what's gonna happen with him. And then we have, what's that, Dick Vitale? Or Dick Vermeil, yeah. Dick Vermeil coach card. Guess it's cool if you're into that. Nick Bosa on the tribute. A throwback or whatever you can call it. I think that's a 92 throwback. Okay, then we have Evan Neal, Jalen Phillips, Clinton Portis, J.C. Horn, Dan Fouts, Hall of Famer. And then we have Amon-Ra St. Brown, Jonathan Greener. Texans, that doesn't go there, that goes there. And then we have an Elite Series, Deshaun Watson. Came back last year, did not impress anyone. Hopefully he can bounce back. I am a Deshaun Watson fan. Did really good things with my Texans. Fortunately, we weren't able to keep him, couldn't make him happy. And then he had his whole fiasco that he had to go through. Eric Weddle and the 92 throwback, Aaron Rodgers. I did not realize there were so many packs in this. Appreciate all you guys who are sticking around through the video. Kenny Pickett, we'll be sleeving that one up. Top QB from last year, Michael Gallup, Harrison Smith, Jeremy Chin, Leonard Fournette, Isaiah Simmons, Caleb Farley. And then we have, what? Dominators, Kyle Pitts, Tyquan Thornton on the canvas portrait, rated rookie, and then Roger Staubach. Cool fact about Roger Staubach, a lot of people don't know this, he's actually the richest former NFL player of all time. I think he's worth close to, last time I checked a few years ago, it was like $400 million. I think he'd probably surpass that now. Those kind of facts always always think those are interesting. Quay Walker, rated rookie. Michael Carter, Rashawn Gray. And we have Vita Vea, Greg Newsome II, Kurt Warner, Buda Baker, another filler, jeez. Then we have Dominators, Aaron Rodgers. Then we have the Canvas, Gridiron, Mac Jones. And then another 2002 throwback, Barry Sanders. No downtown yet. I don't think we're going to get one because we got that awesome Justin Jefferson. Terrell Bernard, rated rookie. Anthony Barr, Dexter Lawrence, Darren Waller, Derek Brown, K. Levon Chason, George Kittle, another filler. Jeez, I don't think I've seen this many fillers in a box before. We have the rookies, Trayvon Walker, top pick from last year. Canvas, that's not Canvas, Rookie Kings, Aiden Hutchinson, top rookie from this past draft. And then a 2002 throwback, Charles Haley, 49er legend, Hall of Famer. All right, Breece Hall, shout out to Vikings 95. Breece Hall guy, Iowa State guy. Cool one. Eric Kendricks, Devontae Smith, Mecole Hardman, A.J. Brown, Eli Mitchell. This isn't another autograph, is it? No. Why is this backwards? You're just trolling me, huh? Missing something? Sean Alexander. Then we have, oh, another Mod Sauce Gardner. Defensive Rookie of the Year. We'll sleeve that one up too. These others sleeved up. Kenny Pickett, rated rookie. And can't forget my boy DP. Alright, what do we got here? We have a Patrick Mahomes Road to the Super Bowl insert, 42-21. That's a wild card round when they beat the Pittsburgh Steelers. And then a Ben Roethlisberger red press proof, which is not numbered. All right, getting down to the end here, guys. All right, rated rookie is Fedarian Mathis. Then we have Myles Gaskin, Chase Young, Cordero Patterson, Kenyon Drake, Roquan Smith, Nico Collins, rookie from last year. And then we have Treylon Burks, top rookie from this year's class. Kenny Pickett, nice canvas rated rookie portraits. Sleeping that one up. And Justin Jefferson, so nice we got him twice. Man, I can't believe I hit that Justin Jefferson auto. That is awesome. I never, ever hit anything good. I'm so stoked about it. Number to 25, that's just incredible. We definitely be sending that one off to get graded. Jahan Dotson's our rated rookie there. Eli Manning, Tua Tagovailoa, Denzel Ward, Tyreek Hill, Trey Lance, Khalil Mack, Antonio Gibson on the Power Plus, Jalen Waddle highlights, Waddle breaks rookie receiving mark, and then a Chris Oladokin rated rookie for the Pittsburgh Steelers. All right. That pack gave me a little bit of trouble. That means there's something good in here, I think. All right, Trent McDuffie, rated rookie. Then we have Mike Gesicki, Antonio Gibson, Derwin James, Tom Brady, Akeem Hicks, Walter Jones. Then we have Legends Series, Eli Manning, Najee Harris, Futures of Franchise, franchise future. Aaron Donald on the red press proof, and a kid reporter. Here we go. Almost done here. Boye Mafe, rated rookie. Jonathan Allen, Devin McCourty, Matt Ryan, Josh Jacobs, Brandon Cooks, David Bakhtiari. And then our rookies is Jalen Tolbert, Cowboy. Reggie Wayne on the all-time Gridiron Kings. And then Pat Fryermuth. Alright, last pack. Aiden Hutchinson, rated rookie. Kyle Duggar, Marcus Peters, that guy. Marquez Valdez-Scantling, Jonathan Taylor. And then we have Javonte Williams. Actually got a 1-of-1 from Illusions the other day in one of the breaks I was in. Dominators, DeAndre Swift. Portraits of Treylon Burks and Brandon Smith. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Definitely the hit of the break. Justin Jefferson auto out of 25. So happy about that. Gonna be sending that off in the future. 12 out of 25. Awesome, cool card. Successful break. Didn't get any case hits, but definitely happy with what I did get. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell so you don't miss a video. And I will see you guys on Thursday. All right, thanks. Peace.